time of the boat Trop Cat is August 17th, 2023. This is your after video. Let's go have a look at it. Oh, both your props, I want to see their flex folds. Don't quote me on that. I'll have to let Dane see the video and he'll probably correct me on that. But I believe there's flex folds. They're all frozen up. Your port side's not turning and the blades are frozen up. Your starboard side turns, but the blades are frozen up, and I'll show it to you when we get down there. Let's go have a look at it. That was the props. One spins, one doesn't. I gotta get with my boss Dane, find out, see if we can come up with a solution. Hopefully we can, but I'll let him know, and he'll get back with me and he'll advise me on how to deal with that situation for you, if we can.